Step aboard the timeless 1966 Chris Craft Constellation, a 38-foot wooden masterpiece valued at $29,000, currently moored in Ketchum, Idaho. This iconic cruiser, built with classic mahogany planking and a fiberglass bottom for durability, boasts twin Chris Craft 427 V8 gasoline engines, delivering reliable power for smooth lake or river runs. With a spacious salon featuring original teak accents, a full galley, 2 comfortable staterooms, and a head with shower, she's perfect for weekend getaways or romantic escapes. Recent updates include a fresh all-grip paint job, new upholstery, and a modern electrical system, ensuring she's turnkey ready. Her flybridge offers panoramic views, while the swim platform and cockpit invite leisurely afternoons. Indulge in luxury with the 1996 Carver 370 Aft Cabin Motor Yacht, a 37-foot beauty valued at $29,500, docked in Pottsboro, Texas on Lake Texoma. Powered by twin 3,116 Caterpillar diesel engines with only 1,200 hours, she cruises efficiently at 15 knots with a top speed of 20, sipping fuel at 12 gallons per hour. The fiberglass hull ensures stability, complemented by a 13-foot 6-inch beam for ample interior space. Highlights include 2 private staterooms with queen berths, 2 full heads with showers, a gourmet galley with stainless appliances, and a salon entertainment center with TV and AC throughout. The flybridge helm seats 6 comfortably, ideal for sunset cocktails, while the aft deck and swim platform host barbecues. Meticulously maintained with recent engine service, new batteries, and canvas enclosures, she's ready for immediate use as a liveaboard or cruiser. This Carver blends American craftsmanship with modern comforts, perfect for families or couples chasing horizons. Conquer the seas in the rugged 1985 Hatteras 36 convertible, a 36-foot sport fisher valued at $29,000, located in Portland, Maine. Featuring twin Detroit diesel 6V92 engines with 1,800 hours. This fiberglass icon delivers 18-knot cruises and 25-knot sprints, backed by a legendary seaworthy hull designed for offshore battles. The tournament-style cockpit with rocket launchers and live well is a fisherman's dream, while the enclosed bridge provides all-weather helm control. Below deck, enjoy 2 staterooms, a convertible dinette, full galley, and head, sleeping 6 in air-conditioned comfort. Upgrades include a 2023 survey, new props, and Garmin electronics for navigation. Her 14-foot beam offers stability in rough waters, making her ideal for tuna runs or coastal jaunts. Whether trolling for billfish or hosting poker runs, this Hatteras combines performance, durability, and classic lines. Own the thrill of the chase, schedule your sea trial, and reel in this gem before it's gone. Unleash your inner angler with the 1985 Tollycraft Sports Fisher, a robust 28-foot convertible valued at $30,000. Birthed in Oxnard, California. Twin Cummins 6BT diesel engines with low hours propel her to 20 knots, her deep V fiberglass hull slicing through Pacific swells effortlessly. The expansive cockpit boasts outriggers, bait prep station, and fighting chair tailored for serious sport fishing, while the flybridge helm includes Raymarine radar and autopilot for confident command. Inside, a compact yet cozy layout features V-berth forward, convertible settee, galley with fridge and stove, and enclosed head, accommodating 4 overnight. Recent enhancements like new canvas, LED lighting, and bottom paint ensure she's in prime condition. Built by the renowned Pacific Northwest Yard, this Tollycraft offers unmatched build quality and resale value. From dawn patrols to dolphin cruises, she's your ticket to adrenaline-fueled days on the water. Contact now to hook this versatile vessel. Spark joy on the water with the 1999 Chaparral Sonesta 252, a vibrant 25-foot bow rider valued at $10,000, moored in Sherrills Ford, North Carolina on Lake Norman. Powered by a Merc Cruiser 5.7-liter V8 engine with Bravo 3 drive, she zips to 45 miles per hour, perfect for water sports or joyrides. The fiberglass hull with integrated swim platform seats 13 comfortably, featuring snap-in carpet, bolster seats, and a head compartment for privacy. Amenities shine with a wet bar, Bluetooth stereo, bimini top, and snap-on mooring cover, ideal for parties or family outings. Low hours, fresh service, and trailer included make her an effortless entry into boating. Chaparral's signature quality means responsive handling and eye-catching style, from snap-in seating to color-coordinated upholstery. Whether wakeboarding at dusk or picnicking at anchor, this Sonesta delivers endless summer vibes on a budget. Seize the fun, test wake today, and make waves with friends. Dominate the bay with the 1989 Sea Ray 390 Express Cruiser, a commanding 39-foot express valued at $30,000 in Tacoma, Washington. Twin 7.4-liter MerCruiser gasoline engines with 1,100 hours push her to 24 knots. Her modified V fiberglass hull ensuring a dry, stable ride. The cockpit entertains with wet bar and lounge seating flowing into a salon with leather sofas, full galley, and entertainment system. 2 staterooms with ensuite heads offer queen berths and cedar closets, sleeping 6 luxuriously. The helm boasts Raytheon electronics while the foredeck sun pad invites lounging. Updates include new AC, generator, and canvas, ready for PNW adventures. Sea Ray's engineering shines in her speed and space, perfect for island hopping or salmon fishing charters. This 390 blends power, poise, and plush interiors for unforgettable escapes. Don't let her slip away. Book a viewing and chart your course to coastal bliss. Dive into classic fishing heritage with the 1977 Silverton Convertible, a 34-foot battle wagon valued at $15,000, docked in Patchogue, New York on Great South Bay. Twin Crusader 270 horsepower engines deliver 18-knot prowess, the solid fiberglass hull withstanding northeast chop like a champ. The roomy cockpit includes live well, tackle drawers, and transom door for easy releases, while the flying bridge helm surveys the action with dual controls. Below, a galley up layout features dinette, V-berth, and head, cozy for overnights. Recent refits, new wiring, batteries, and outriggers enhance reliability. Silverton's reputation for value and versatility makes her a staple for stripers or blues. Affordable entry to big boat angling with space for crew and coolers. Relive the glory days of rod-bending excitement. Survey complete, she's primed for your next tournament. Call to cast a line into ownership. Hunt legends in the 1977 Egg Harbor Sportfish, a 33-foot powerhouse valued at $32,000 in Manteo, North Carolina, heart of the Outer Banks. Twin 427 Chris-Craft gasoline engines with fresh rebuilds cruise at 16 knots. Her hand-laid fiberglass hull famed for offshore toughness. The cockpit's fighting chair, gaff storage, and insulated fish box target marlin and mahi, backed by a 12-foot beam for stability. Enclosed bridge shields from spray, with lower salon offering berth, galliette, and head for 2. Upgrades: 2024 electronic suite, new canvas, and bottom job. Egg Harbor's yacht-like finish elevates her above mere sport fishers, blending speed with elegance. Ideal for Hatteras Canyons or family charters, she's a turnkey ticket to Trophy Tales. Proven blue water pedigree awaits. Sea trial and make her your next big catch. Retreat in opulence aboard the 1989 Carver 340 Santiago, a 34-foot motor yacht valued at $29,900, berthed in Englewood, Florida. Twin 454 Mercruiser engines with 1,400 hours glide at 15 knots. The fiberglass hull with reverse chine slicing wakes cleanly. Aft cabin layout shines. Master with queen, guest V-berth, 2 heads with showers, and L-shaped salon with wet bar. Galley boasts convection microwave, fridge, and dinette. Heat throughout. Flybridge seats 8 with grill station. Foredeck lounge adds versatility. Recent. Engine tune-up, new batteries, and isinglass. Carver's thoughtful design maximizes space for entertaining or live-aboard dreams. From Sarasota sunsets to Keys Keys, she's your floating sanctuary. Value packed at this price. Inspected and eager for new horizons. Step up to serene seafaring today. Elevate your escapes with the 1988 Sea Ray 410 aft cabin, a 41-foot palace on the water, valued at $29,900 in Middle River, Maryland, near Baltimore. Twin Caterpillar 3208 TA diesels with 2,200 hours achieve 18-knot efficiency. Her deep V fiberglass hold promising comfort in Chesapeake bays. The aft master suite rivals hotels with walk-around queen, vanity, and spa-like head. Forward guest cabin and convertible sofa sleep 8. U-shaped galley, entertainment salon, and 2-zone AC create resort vibes. Sun deck flybridge with helm and hot tub beckons parties. Swim platform eases waterside fun. Updates, new generator, stabilizers, and navigation plotter. Sea Ray's innovation shines in her layout and luxury, ideal for weekends or weeks away. This 410 redefines cruiser comfort. Surveyed, seaworthy, and sensational. Anchor your dreams here. Contact for a tour.